Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, click that subscribe button down below and make it gray because gray's the way. And I'll let you continue on to the video. Bye! This is a video of the Harbor Breeze Gray Space ceiling fan, I think 52 inch. My mom's over there making cupcakes. Easter cupcakes. Hold on. I'm gonna ask her if I can show them. Okay. Hold on. That's what the cupcakes look like, by the way. And let's start it on low. These are the real light bulbs. I had LEDs in here before. On it before. Height wobbles on this thing. And here's medium. High. I think, I don't know. Wait, actually it's not wobbling that bad. But that's all.